If you and your partner bought a property with 50-50 ownership as tenants in common, would you be able to sell your half if the relationship broke down? Asking for a friend.
Yes, you'd be able to sell your share of the property under a tenant in common arrangement. With this ownership structure, each tenant owns a fixed portion of the property, whether that's 50-50, 70-30, or any other split between two or more owners. This structure means your portion is legally separate from those of the other owner or owners, so you do have some flexibility with what you do with it. In comparison, if you owned the property as joint tenants, you'd have to sever the arrangement before selling. It's far more complicated. So what are your options? In your case, your ex may want to buy your share from you. To do that, they would need to find a lender that will let them refinance to cover the larger loan. This would also be the case if you wanted to buy the property from them. Alternatively, you could sell your share of the property to another interested party, but this could get complicated if the other owner doesn't want you to sell. If the two of you can't come to an arrangement, you could force the sale of your property, but the law around this varies by state and it can be expensive. Even when property isn't involved, a separation or divorce can be really messy, but when there's property in question, you almost always need personal legal advice. So before deciding what to do with your property, consider talking to a lawyer and getting a clear plan of the steps you need to take. This can help you sort out your property ownership amicably, and it could be a smart financial decision for you both. Or, if you want to avoid the costs that come with legal action, you can always try talking to your ex. If you can both come to an agreement, it'll be much cheaper and easier for everyone involved. And if you have any questions at all about how to sell a property or refinancing your mortgage, click on the link below. Good luck! Share this video with a friend who you think might find it helpful. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to Finder for more.